Hi, this is Quinton from Honeycombes Sales and Service, and this here is a John Deere 5075E tractor. As the name suggests, it's a 75 horsepower tractor and it'll weigh around 3 tonne. It'll either come in a nice open station or you can get an air conditioned cab. Ideally, this is suited to property owners with large acreage, banana farms, vineyards or orchards. We can put a loader on the front with a 4-1 bucket or a slasher to the rear, and this will help you maintain your property. The tractor will come with 2 transmissions, a 9-4 3-reverse top shaft synchronised transmission or a 12-4 12 reverse power reverse transmission. So come into Honeycombes Innisfail, have a test drive of the tractor and see if it's suitable for your needs.